You know, for the longest time, we've all thought of a company's purchasing department as just a back office function, kind of tactical. But what if it could actually be a powerful engine for growth? Well, today we're going to dig into how SAP S4HANA is making that exact transformation happen. So let's get right to it. It really boils down to one fundamental question that every business leader should be asking themselves. Is your purchasing department just another cost center, or is it a genuine value creator, actively finding savings and driving your business forward? To really get why this is such a massive shift, we first have to take a quick look at the old way of doing things, a process that, let's be honest, probably feels a little too familiar to a lot of us. The old way? Oh man, it's usually a total mess. Just think about it. Tangled, manual workflows, endless email chains, spreadsheets for days. Your data is just stuck in all these different systems, which means you have zero real-time visibility into what's actually being spent. So you're always playing catch-up, reacting to problems instead of getting ahead of them. And the risk of people buying stuff off contract? It's through the roof. It's all tactics, zero strategy. Okay, so that's the problem. But now there's a completely new strategic way of thinking that's designed to fix all of that. Let's see how the S4HANA solution totally flips the script. And this, right here, is the evolution in a nutshell. We're moving away from all that manual, fragmented stuff to a single, automated, integrated system. One source of truth for everything. But the most important shift is this one right here. You stop just buying things, and you start actively creating value. And the tool that makes all this happen? It's SAP S4HANA Sourcing and Procurement. At its heart, it's a really smart, all-in-one solution that handles the whole shebang, from the moment you realize you need something, all the way to paying that final invoice. And the key is, it's all happening in real time. Okay, so that sounds great, but how does it actually work? Let's get under the hood for a second and break down the mechanics. Well, the system is built on a few really key pillars. You've got your day-to-day buying, that's operational procurement, but then it gets strategic, helping you find and work with the best long-term partners. On top of that, you layer in powerful supplier management, amazing analytics so you can see everything clearly, and a central procurement hub that ties it all together. It really is the complete package. And here's how all those pieces click together in the real world. The whole process is completely streamlined. A request gets made, the system helps you source suppliers and compare quotes, and a contract is awarded. From there, it just flows. The purchase order is created, delivery is tracked, and the final payment is handled. So say goodbye to lost paperwork or chasing down approvals. Now for big global companies, this is the real game changer. Think of the central procurement hub like a mission control, a command center for all your purchasing. It gives you one single point of control and visibility across all your different business units and systems, no matter where they are in the world. And listen, don't picture some clunky, old-school enterprise software here. This is built for how teams actually work today. You get these clean, really user-friendly dashboards. They are called Fiori apps that give you a super clear view of everything. You can approve a purchase order right from your phone. The system even nudges employees to pick the right on-contract products, and it uses AI to help you predict what you're going to need in the future. It's just smart. All right, so the theory sounds amazing, but what does this mean in the real world, when the rubber meets the road? Let's talk about actual impact. So picture this, a major consumer electronics manufacturer. They were dealing with all those classic headaches we just talked about, the slow, manual stuff, and they decided to go all in, overhauling their whole process with S4HANA. And the results? Honestly, they were staggering. Right off the bat, an 18% reduction in their total procurement costs. Just think about that number. That goes straight to the bottom line. But wait, it wasn't just about saving cash. They also sped up their entire order cycle time by 40%. That means getting parts in the door and products out to customers way, way faster than before. I mean, that's a huge leg up on the competition. So you're probably asking, how did they pull that off? Well, it all comes down to data. The system lets them watch all these key metrics in real time. They can see exactly how much they're spending with each supplier to get better deals. They can spot that maverick buying to make sure everyone's staying compliant. Basically, they stopped guessing and started managing with cold, hard facts. And look, that story isn't just a one-off success. It really points to a fundamental shift in what procurement can be for pretty much any business. This really is the future. This new reality is all about having total, real-time visibility into everything. It's about using data and AI to make smarter decisions, to manage risks better, and to really collaborate with your suppliers like true partners. It's not just about pinching pennies anymore. It's about optimizing the entire value chain. So, if there's just one thing you take away from all this, let it be this key idea. This technology fundamentally changes purchasing from the simple tactical act of buying things to the truly strategic function of creating value. It elevates the whole department into a core driver of your business's success. And that brings me to a final question for you. What untapped potential, what cost savings, what strategic value is hiding inside your own company's purchasing data right now, just sitting there waiting to be unlocked?